Hey guys, it's Grayson here, and I want to show you a really cool vehicle that I made. Uh, so it's got 8 wheels on it. I don't know if that says it's a 4x4 and 8x8. I don't know, but yeah, it's got lots of fuel. Custom V8 engine, which is geared down to here, which then goes into this transmission. Which, oh, by the way, make sure you check out the mod description for this, because I didn't make the transmission. I got it from someone else. So yeah. So if you see this on Steam, check it out. And got wishbone suspension here. And then oh, like salt, I don't know what the suspension is called, but yeah, it's got this kind of suspension in the back, similar to the last vehicle that I made in here. This is basically what it's from. I just yoinked it, flipped the diff around on both of these. This one's, the default, but yeah, this one has the flipped diff. That way it'll go forward when the engine is supplying power. The transmission isn't automatic, so yeah. Anyway, I'm sure you guys want to see this thing driving. You do have to go in through this. It just kind of, though thankfully, it just teleported into the sea. And just press F for the starter motor. It'll start up the engine there. Q is for the brakes. So yeah. As you can see, it's already kind of moving by itself. But just press W. And it does slowly drive. It will slowly pick up in speed. A and D to turn. Q for brake. And H for interior lights. Could be pretty nice if the map that you're in is dark. And then L for lights. Again, useful if it's dark. And then I for the left blinker. Unfortunately, we don't have logic, so we can't make it actually blink. But yeah. And then O for the right blinker. Go take this thing off-roading. Let's test out the suspension here. The tires do kind of like the steering, if you hit a bump just right, the steering won't exactly be straight. But as you can see, the suspension works pretty well. loud. You can hardly even hear me. Oh well, that's the cool truck. Yeah, epic. Anyway, that's all I got for today. So, yeah. Okay, bye.